When someone betrays you, it's a harsh and painful reality. But let me tell you, betrayal is not a reflection of your worth, it's a reflection of theirs. When people turn on you, lie to you, or deceive you, it's because they lack the integrity, the courage, or the character to stand in their truth. Betrayal is never about you, it's about them. It's about their inability to be honest, their fear, and their weakness. And while they may think they've won in the short term, the truth is their actions are setting them up for their own downfall. Betrayal is one of the most painful experiences you'll face, but it's also one of the most powerful. Because here's what it does. It doesn't break you. It reveals your strength. It doesn't shatter your soul. It shows you how strong you really are. When someone betrays you, you don't lose, you rise. You learn, you grow. It's a moment in time, a brief setback, but it will never define you. Instead, it will drive you to your next level. Understand this: betrayal costs the betrayer. Trust, once broken, is a debt they can never repay. They might try to cover their tracks. They might try to play the victim. But deep down, they know what they've done. And that guilt, that shame will weigh them down every day. They might think they can move on, but their dishonesty will catch up with them. In the long run, their deceit will cost them far more than they ever expected. They will lose friends. They will lose respect. They will lose their own sense of integrity. And while they are busy trying to hold together a facade, you will be building something stronger than ever before. You will use that betrayal as fuel for your success. You will channel that pain into your passion, and you will rise above it all. The betrayed grows, the betrayer crumbles. That's the truth. But here's the key. The greatest power you have right now is your ability to heal and move forward. Do not waste time on revenge. Do not get caught up in the drama. Their betrayal is not your battle. The universe will handle their reckoning.
Instead, focus on your journey. Focus on your growth. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself that you can be. Because your future is brighter than their lies. Your path is greater than their betrayal.
Betrayal is a temporary setback. It's a lesson that you were meant to learn, and it will strengthen you. When they tried to hurt you, they didn't realize that they were only pushing you closer to your greatness. When they tried to tear you down, they were planting the seeds for your next level of success. Because when you come through this, when you stand tall after being knocked down, people will see you differently. You will not be the person who was betrayed. You will be the person who overcame. Their betrayal will cost them. But you will be unstoppable. You will rise higher, faster, and stronger than ever before. And when they look at you, they'll realize that their actions only made you more powerful. You were never the one in danger. They were. Betrayal is a mirror that reflects the deepest flaws of the person who betrays, not the one who is betrayed. When someone deceives or betrays your trust, it speaks volumes about their character, their insecurities, and their lack of integrity. It is a manifestation of their inability to be truthful, to stand firm in their own values, or to act with honor. A person who betrays you does not do so because of your weakness. They do it because they are driven by their own fears, selfish desires, or inner turmoil. Their betrayal shows their lack of courage to face the truth that may be uncomfortable for them to deal with. Instead of confronting the situation head on, they choose to manipulate, lie, or deceive in an attempt to preserve their own comfort or self-image. This is not a reflection of your value or your worth. It's a direct indication of their inability to handle difficult emotions or situations with integrity. People who betray others often struggle with deep internal conflicts and fears, projecting those struggles onto others in unhealthy ways. They may feel threatened by your success, your kindness, or your strength, and instead of rising to the occasion, they tear you down in an effort to elevate themselves. This is not your failure, this is theirs. Betrayal is a reflection of their own brokenness, a clear sign that they have yet to grow and mature in their emotional and moral strength. Betrayal is one of the most painful experiences you can face, but it doesn't have the power to break you. In fact, it reveals a strength within you that you may not have even known existed. When someone betrays your trust, it challenges you, tests your resilience, and forces you to confront your emotions in ways you never expected. Instead of crumbling under the weight of the betrayal, you have an opportunity to stand taller, to rise from the ashes, and to show the world and yourself just how strong you truly are. It's in these moments of deep hurt that your true character emerges. The pain of betrayal may sting, but it also reveals your capacity to heal, to forgive, and to continue moving forward. While others might use betrayal as an excuse to give up, to wallow in bitterness, or to fall into despair, you have the choice to turn that pain into something powerful. It's in adversity that you discover your resilience, your inner strength to overcome, and your unwavering ability to keep pushing toward your goals, no matter what obstacles stand in your way. Betrayal doesn't have the power to defeat you, it only serves to highlight the fortitude you possess. It teaches you that you are more than the circumstances you face, more than the actions of others. Your strength is found in your ability to keep moving, to keep growing, and to keep evolving, even when the world around you tries to tear you down. Those who betray others often believe they can manipulate the situation to their advantage, but in reality, they are setting the stage for their own downfall. Betrayal is built on lies, deceit, and a lack of integrity, qualities that may provide short-term gains but always come at a high cost. A person who betrays someone does so out of a desire to elevate themselves or escape accountability, thinking that they can avoid the consequences of their actions. But what they fail to realize is that betrayal is not a sustainable foundation. The truth has a way of surfacing, and when it does, it's often more destructive than if they had just been honest from the beginning. By betraying others, they weaken their own credibility and trustworthiness. They might gain temporary approval or success by tearing someone down, but that success is built on shaky ground. People who are willing to betray one person are often willing to betray others. This behavior creates a pattern of dishonesty that follows them, eroding relationships and isolating them from those who could have once been their allies. Eventually, the betrayals catch up with them, and the damage they've done is far greater than they anticipated. The lies they tell today will trap them tomorrow. They will live with the burden of their actions, knowing they've burned bridges and sacrificed their own integrity. The very actions they thought would give them power or control will ultimately cost them everything. Trust is the foundation of all meaningful relationships, whether personal or professional. Once it is broken, it can never be fully repaired to its original state. The bond that once existed is permanently altered because trust is fragile. It takes years to build, but only moments to shatter. When someone betrays your trust, it creates a fracture that no amount of apology or effort can ever completely mend. Even if forgiveness is granted, the feeling of security and certainty that once existed is forever changed. The truth is, when trust is violated, a part of the relationship is lost. The hurt and betrayal linger, often leaving scars that cannot be unseen or undone. Even if the betrayed person moves forward, a subtle shift remains, and the foundation of that relationship is weakened. The vulnerability that comes with trusting someone is no longer the same. It's forever tainted by the betrayal. This doesn't mean that trust can never be rebuilt, but it will never be restored in the same way. The bond, once broken, requires more than just words. It demands time, consistency, and profound healing. Even then, there will always be a sense of caution, an underlying awareness that something essential has been lost. The once unshakable confidence in the other person is replaced by a guardedness that makes it difficult to trust fully again. The relationship may continue, but it will never be quite the same as it was before the trust was broken. When a person is betrayed, the emotional upheaval can be profound, but the true power lies in how they respond. The betrayal forces them to confront their deepest fears and vulnerabilities, yet it also provides an opportunity for profound growth. While the initial pain may seem overwhelming, it is within that very pain that strength, wisdom, and resilience are forged. The betrayed person, after navigating the storm of hurt, often emerges far stronger than before. Through the experience, they gain clarity about what truly matters to them, what is worth their trust, time, and energy. They learn to better discern who deserves a place in their life and who does not, developing a sharper intuition and greater emotional intelligence. This wisdom enables them to protect themselves in the future, setting healthier boundaries and refusing to accept behaviors that would previously have been tolerated. Moreover, the process of healing from betrayal teaches resilience. The betrayed person learns how to bounce back, to rise from the ashes stronger than before. Every obstacle they overcome, every scar they bear, is a testament to their inner strength and ability to adapt. With each step forward, they become more capable of handling adversity. Their trust in themselves deepens, knowing they have survived and thrived despite the pain. Through this journey, they not only heal but also transform into a version of themselves that is wiser, more resilient, and less easily shaken by future challenges. Their strength. Betrayal has a unique way of revealing the true character of people. When someone betrays your trust, it strips away any facade they may have been hiding behind and exposes their true intentions, values, and motivations. At first, the betrayal can feel like a harsh and unfair experience, but once the dust settles, it presents an invaluable opportunity to see people for who they truly are. This raw honesty, painful as it may be, can be used to your advantage. In the aftermath of betrayal, you gain clarity. You no longer need to wonder where you stand with certain people or second-guess their actions. Their behavior has spoken volumes about their integrity or lack thereof. Instead of feeling hurt or betrayed, you can use this knowledge to make better, more informed decisions about who deserves your trust and loyalty moving forward. It becomes a powerful tool for identifying those who are truly supportive, those who align with your values, and those who are merely in your life for their own gain. Betrayal also gives you a chance to refine your ability to trust wisely. You now understand that not everyone who smiles in your face has your best interests at heart. This lesson empowers you to be more discerning, to choose your allies carefully, and to protect your energy from those who may only bring harm. The betrayal serves as a powerful lesson, reminding you that true strength lies in knowing who you can trust and who you must let go. When betrayal occurs, the instinct to seek revenge can be overwhelming. The desire to get even, to make the person who hurt you feel the same pain they caused, can cloud your judgment and consume your energy. But holding on to that desire for retribution only keeps you anchored in negativity, preventing you from moving forward. Instead, the real power lies in focusing on your own growth and healing. Revenge may seem like a quick fix, but it's hollow. It only feeds the cycle of bitterness and resentment. When you focus on retaliation, you give the betrayer more of your energy and attention. You allow their actions to control your emotions, your thoughts, and your future. However, when you choose to prioritize your healing, you take back control. You shift your focus from the pain that caused you to the strength you can find within yourself. Healing is a personal journey, one that empowers you to become a stronger, wiser, and more resilient version of yourself. By choosing growth over vengeance, you create space for self-reflection and self-care, allowing the experience of betrayal to transform you. The focus then shifts from their wrongdoings to your personal development, helping you build a stronger foundation for the future. This shift allows you to rise above the situation, showing not only the betrayer but also yourself that you are unshaken by their actions. The true victory comes not from seeking revenge, but from flourishing in the face of adversity, proving that no one can take away your peace, power, or potential. Betrayal may feel like a devastating blow in the moment, but it is not permanent. It is a fleeting experience that, while painful, can be used as a catalyst for your next level of growth and success. In the aftermath of betrayal, the initial shock and hurt can be overwhelming, making it seem like the pain will last forever. But as time passes, you begin to realize that betrayal is just a moment, a chapter in your story, not the entire book. Rather than allowing it to define you or hold you back, you can use that moment as fuel to propel yourself forward. The pain of betrayal often brings clarity and strength. It pushes you to reassess your goals, your values, and your path, encouraging you to make decisions that are in alignment with your true self. When someone betrays you, they often reveal their true character, and that gives you the chance to refocus on what really matters to you. That feeling of being wronged can ignite a fire within you, driving you to become the best version of yourself. The adversity of betrayal teaches you lessons that make you more resilient, more focused, and more determined to succeed. It propels you to rise above the situation and achieve things you might never have thought possible had you not been tested. Instead of letting betrayal hold you down, you can use it as the spark that lights the way to your next level of success, growth, and personal empowerment. The betrayer may feel like they've won in the short term, achieving their goals or getting what they want by using deceit and manipulation. They might feel a fleeting sense of victory, thinking they have outsmarted or hurt others for their own gain. However, this success is never built to last. Dishonesty is like a ticking time bomb. It may take a while to explode, but it will eventually catch up with them. When someone betrays trust, they are operating on a foundation of lies. While they may deceive others or hide the truth for a time, the cracks in that false foundation will eventually show. Lies are unsustainable. They require constant maintenance, and no amount of manipulation can completely shield someone from the consequences of their actions. People can only pretend for so long before their true nature is revealed, and when that happens, the damage they've done can be far more significant than they ever anticipated. The betrayer may appear to be winning in the moment, but their success is hollow. Their relationships will suffer, their reputation will be tarnished, and the trust they've broken can never fully be restored. Others will see through the facade, and when the truth emerges, the betrayer will be left to face the consequences of their dishonesty. Their temporary gains will be overshadowed by the long-term costs, loss of credibility, respect, and even the support of those who once trusted them. The betrayer may think they have succeeded, but in the end, it is the truth that always prevails. When someone betrays you, it can feel like a devastating setback. The emotional impact can make you question your worth and wonder if the path you were on is worth pursuing. But it's crucial to remember that your journey is far greater than any betrayal you experience. The pain, though real, is just a small part of a much larger story. You are destined for more than the momentary hurt caused by others. Betrayal can momentarily cloud your vision, making it hard to see the bigger picture, but it does not define your future. It is just a detour, a test that will push you to evolve, grow, and find a deeper sense of purpose. Your journey is about reaching new heights, discovering untapped potential within yourself, and becoming the person you are meant to be. A betrayal is only a challenge on that path, not the end of it. You are not defined by the actions of others. Your destiny is shaped by your choices, your resilience, and your ability to keep moving forward despite the setbacks. Each challenge you face only strengthens your character and brings you closer to the life you're meant to live. What others do to you cannot derail your purpose unless you allow it. You have dreams, goals, and a future that is far bigger than any betrayal. Your worth is not tied to the actions of those who choose to hurt you. Your journey is unfolding, and it's leading you towards something greater than you can imagine. In the end, betrayal is nothing more than a moment in time, a test of your strength, resilience, and ability to rise above. The ones who betray you may believe they've won, but they cannot touch your true power or your destiny. Your journey is yours alone, and no betrayal can alter the incredible future that lies ahead of you. Let this be the moment you decide to let go of the past, embrace your growth, and move forward with a renewed sense of purpose. You are destined for greatness, and no one, not even those who try to bring you down, can take that from you. Rise stronger than ever,